FXB, so we're here on a W5 network radio, which actually has the ability to run apps like Zello and Peanut, but also actually has a normal 70 centimeter broadcast radio. So let's give it a test. So here we are on my HubNet node. This is my control panel, and we've selected audio test by tapping that. So let's turn on the radio. Tap the app here, it's called PTT. It should be already installed if you have a W5 network radio. So we're now using analog. It's not an app, it's not internet. This is proper analog radio. It's very low power. So we've got the frequencies in here for my node, which is simplex. We've got the tone in, volumes on 3 at the moment, which we can turn up down here. Now with these W5s, you can actually change the frequency with this knob here. But anyway, got it on high power, squelch 1. So, and we can key the mic to transmit, or we can click send here. So let's key the mic and do an audio test. Mic 0, Fox X-ray Bravo, audio test. Oh.
Playback. Mic 0, Fox X-ray Bravo, audio test.
You can see I got it way too loud. Now I did find that it was a bit muffled when I first started, and I did have to put a pin in this hole here. It's quite small to see, but there is a little small hole here right at the bottom. I did put a little pin in it, but you do have to be really careful, because I've heard about that can damage the microphone. So, you know, at your own risk. So let's just do that again. M0 FXB audio test. It doesn't always come back to you with the HubNet audio test. Let's try again. M0 FXB audio test.
Playback. M0 FXB audio test.
As you can see, I've got it way too loud, but you know, the main thing is it works. Let's try the microphone on the front. M0 FXB audio test.
Playback. M0 FXB audio test.
Yeah, we've still got the gain up a bit high, but I can change that in my other settings. But the settings that we have got here are here for when you create a channel and then you save it and it adds it to your favorites here. This is my GB3 FI. We click enable to go to that channel. So let's just do a test. M0 FXB accessing FI. I think that's FI. So yeah, we're not making FI. Now we could try, pretty sure if I go to my memories, oh yeah, that was ZB, let's try FI, so I've got that backwards. So now we're on GB3 FI, let's try again. M0 FXB accessing FI. Yeah, we're not even accessing it, it's just, it's too far from me. So anyway, I thought I'd show you it, and you know, it does work as a 70 centimeter radio. Click enable here. So let's try again. M0 FXB test.
Playback. M0 FXB test.
So yeah, tell me what you think. You know, it's really the reason I've got this radio is actually for Zello and for Peanut and for Echolink. That's the actual reason I've got this radio. And to show you what Zello looks like. And these radios, they do run, you know, they'll connect via Wi-Fi, they'll connect via Bluetooth, and they also have 4G, you know, as well. You can put a couple of SIM cards in them, and even an SD card, if I remember right, where the SIM card is. So if we just go to acquire a channel like channel 4, and we'll just go M0 FXB tests. Now, it might sound terrible, but just to show that we're doing it. So go to the history.
M0 FXB test.
You can see I've got everything turned up way too high. But what it was, the microphone hole had some dust in it, and so that's what made it all get all of a sudden loud. So I'll lower the settings. So you just go options, like so. Go to audio. Let's go back. Audio, and then just bring it down back to its default. It's set on automatic here, so just bring it down like so. Go back. Channel 4. M0 FXB test. And I'm just listening on the history, to be honest. There is an echo test on this.
0FXB test.
And then we can turn it down here as well. Let's go again.
0FXB.
There you go. That's how you can turn it down. Unfortunately, the actual channel changer on these, it does work on the radio, but on Zello, look, it actually changes you to different, you know,
27 Weasel 27
channels that you've added.
27 Weasel 27.
I think with the right settings, you'll probably get the channels in order how you'd like them. So, Echolink, I have to re-download that. PTT, let's try Peanut while we're here. Peanut, there you go. We might have to kill Zello to stop it coming to the fairground, to the foreground. We'll go to Echo. There is one here called Echo Echo, CDE, Echo Echo. There you go, let's try it. Is it going to let me? Oh, we've got to log in first, of course. Log in. Like so. And then you need a special number to log in. Let's have a go here. Yeah, it's bring in Zello. So what you do when that happens, go out, go home, settings, go to the cog settings, then select apps. I'm sure you could make a shortcut for this. Then select Zello and click full stop. Okay, and that will stop that. Then go back home, back into Peanut. Peanut sort of has to be on the screen to work, to be honest. Right, let's try it. Do the PTT. M0FXB test.
M0FXB test.
Yeah, it's sounding very powerful now. M0FXB test.
M0FXB test.
I've probably got that too loud now, so just flick that off. Set up. Go to, there is a mic gain here, just whip it down a bit. Go back. Log back in, and then M0FXB test.
M0FXB test.
Yeah, so it's booming now, so I can lower it more if I have to. So, yeah, that'll be interesting. And you can use the screen to PTT. You just go out, set up, and then you can, I've added a PTT. What it says, see it says learn key here. You click learn key and push the button. And then, or you can use the screen, you know, the screen as a key. You know, it's up to you. You just change the settings. Hold to talk, or just push beeps, and then disable PTT. You've got that as well. So there you go. So put that back in, and then channels like English are very popular, aren't they? Log in, and normally some people chatting there. So hope you find this interesting, just playing around with this W5 network radio. All the best, 7-3.